road trip today and I'm heading down to the beautiful Byron Bay. Byron's one of my favourite places in the world as I grew up down here, and there's so many beautiful beaches to see. There's so many awesome cafes to eat at. So I'm going to show you all around. I'm going to fly my drone and try and capture some surfers. I've got my Starbucks already. Can't go anywhere without a Starbucks. Byron's about a 2-hour drive from Brisbane, so it's quite a good little day trip, road trip, or little escape for the weekend. So I'll see you once we arrive.
Make sure you stick around to the end for a bonus location, which is my most absolute favourite beach near Byron.
Okay, so we've just done a little pit stop over at the farm in Byron Bay, which is a really famous place. There's restaurants here, they grow their own veggies and things in a big paddock over there, so everything in the restaurant comes from the farm, so from farm to plate, which is a really cool concept at the moment. I think they have some animals and things as well up there, so we're going to go and have a look around. Let's go!
The farm at Byron is just off the highway when you make the turn into Byron Bay. Before even contemplating sitting down to eat, you have to check out the farm and everything that it has to offer.
There's some cute little beehives here. They're so adorable. I want to take one home.
There is so much to see here, from flowers to farm animals, different things planted in the fields, a beautiful walk through the macadamia and pecan trees. After you have done your walk, the restaurant serves up some amazing cuisine to curb your appetite. From the farm, it's about a 10-minute drive into Byron Bay. There are plenty of hip shops to pick up something unique, but we wanted to check out Byron's most famous landmark, the Lighthouse. This is Australia's most easterly point and the first spot that captures the sunrise every morning in Australia.
Hey guys, we've made it to Byron and we're at the famous lighthouse, which you can see behind me here. So you can drive all the way up to the lighthouse. There's a few parks around, there's not many, so if you jag one, you're pretty lucky. Otherwise, you can park down at Main Beach or Watergoes or the Path, and you can do the walk up to the lighthouse from there, which is a really beautiful walk and one that I love to do when I'm in Byron for the weekend or for the day.
Built in 1901, the lighthouse stands atop Cape Byron and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, serving as a beacon that guides ships and a symbol of Byron Bay's charm. During the winter, it's a perfect place for whale watching as the humpback whales migrate north to warmer waters. We didn't see whales today, but we saw a lot of dolphins who love to frolic in these beautiful waters all year round. For photographers, the lighthouse is an iconic location to grab a shot at sunrise or sunset when there are beautiful colours in the sky, or even some astrophotography. There are so many awesome places to eat in Byron. It's a real foodie hub, but one of my favourites is Combi Byron Bay on Fletcher Street for delicious, healthy food.
Hey guys, so we're in the middle of Byron at the moment in the town, and there's this really cool walkway with graffiti on both sides of the walls. So this is a really cool place to stop and have a look if you're in Byron. I just took some photos because it's actually really cool. So I'll show you those photos now.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom.
Hey guys, I'm here at Watergoes Beach in Byron, and this is one of my favourite beaches. It's a great beach if you're learning to surf. It's a great spot to swim as the waves aren't very big here. It's a little calm little bay. It's been hard to get a park. It's quite popular. But yeah, just enjoying the sun, and then go for a swim in a minute because it's quite hot, and I'm going to put the drone up and see what I can capture.
Down, 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 don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories. The tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes.
Watergoes is one of my favourite locations for sunrise and sunset photography due to its pristine crescent-shaped haven, renowned for its golden sands, clear turquoise waters and stunning views.
Don't let me down, down.
The last stop on our Byron Bay tour is the Pass. This is a great place to chill in the afternoon, to watch the surfers or go for a swim. It's also a great spot to capture some sunsets, some silhouetted surfers, and you can head up to the lookout to capture beautiful colours over the ocean as the sun goes down.
Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people this summer. Don't let me down.
Time for my bonus secret location, which is Broken Head, about 10 minutes out of Byron. I love to watch the sunrise from here when there is hardly anyone around except for the early morning surfers. This is a nice, quiet and tranquil beach if you want to get away from the busyness of Byron Bay's main beaches.
All my vitamins and seeds, all I need from you to leave. Why can't you see me on my knees for you, baby? I'm falling down.
So that's our day in Byron. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you get to visit Byron Bay soon. It's one of my favourite spots that I love coming here. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Intimacy.